Billionaire John Paulson's fiancée's pregnancy sparks legal battle over $5.1 billion fortune. The ongoing divorce proceedings between billionaire hedge fund manager John Paulson and his estranged wife, Jenny Paulson, have taken a dramatic turn following the announcement that Paulson's fiancée, registered dietitian Alina de Olmeda, is expecting a child. With the revelation of this pregnancy, Jenny Paulson has intensified her legal efforts to protect her financial interests and those of their two daughters, both of whom are currently in college. The Paulsons' divorce saga has been marked by bitterness since Jenny, 53, discovered through Page 6 in 2021 that her husband was ending their 21-year marriage to pursue a relationship with de Olmeda, 36. The public nature of the split has further complicated their already tumultuous relationship, with Jenny's legal team now alleging that de Olmeda's pregnancy is part of a strategy to secure a share of Paulson's substantial wealth, estimated at $5.1 billion. In a recent court filing, Jenny's attorney contended that the timing of the pregnancy was not coincidental and accused de Olmeda of conspiring to gain access to marital assets. The filing suggests that the new baby could create divisions within the Paulson family, pitting the couple's daughters against their future half-sibling. The court documents reveal that the couple's daughters were blindsided by the news of de Olmeda's pregnancy, learning about it only when John Paulson texted them a link to the Page 6 announcement. This lack of communication has contributed to the existing tensions within the family. A source close to the situation has claimed that John informed his daughters of the pregnancy prior to the public announcement, but that assertion has been met with skepticism given the emotional fallout from the divorce. In an interview earlier this month, de Olmeda expressed her excitement about the pregnancy, stating, "This is something we had been planning. It wasn't much of a surprise. We have been together now for 3 years, and I have always wanted a family, and I know John will make a great father." Yet, Jenny's legal team is framing this family planning as a strategic move that could potentially dilute the financial interests of John and Jenny's daughters. Jenny's amended complaint alleges that John Paulson is violating domestic relations law by expanding the class of beneficiaries to include a child born outside of his marriage. The filing asserts that the creation of a new beneficiary could allow de Olmeda to seek distributions from Paulson's trusts, which were originally established for his daughters. The legal argument posits that this situation creates significant discord within the family dynamic, suggesting that the introduction of a new child could lead to competition over inheritance and financial resources. The document states, "Taking marital property and giving it to someone entirely outside the marriage, including your new girlfriend, that is the very definition of a violation of the domestic relations law." In defense of his actions, John Paulson's legal team has characterized Jenny's claims as a selfish money grab and suggested that her motivations are driven by a desire for financial enrichment rather than the well-being of their daughters. Marilyn Chinitz, Paulson's attorney, emphasized that despite the divorce, Jenny would still be one of the wealthiest women globally following the settlement. John has moved on with his personal life and would hope that Jenny would do the same, Chinitz stated, expressing frustration over what she termed needless litigation. She reaffirmed that the trusts established for their daughters would ensure their financial security for generations. As the legal battle between John and Jenny Paulson escalates, the implications of de Olmeda's pregnancy have introduced a new layer of complexity to an already fraught situation. Both parties continue to navigate the emotional and financial ramifications of their separation, with family dynamics at the forefront of the ongoing dispute. The outcome of this case could set a precedent for how family law addresses the intersection of divorce, child custody, and financial entitlements, especially in high-net-worth situations. As this drama unfolds, it serves as a stark reminder of the intricate and often contentious nature of marital separations, particularly when significant wealth is involved.